students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, earthing of electric instruments having metallic surface is must. How is this measure be justified? So we'll justify this. So earthing is must because earthing will provide a low resistance path for our current. Why we need this low resistance path? Let's suppose if something went wrong in our appliances, so we need that extra current or excess current to be taken away from the appliances so that we can save the appliances as well, and we can save the user from our any severe shock as well. So what it will do, this earthing, what it will do, it will keep the potential of earth and the appliances same so that the current can pass easily, and it will ensure the safety of the user as well from any severe shock due to the leakage of current. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.